Oh my.
Oh, no, this is coming apart. Yeah, those legs are coming down. Yeah. Is it? Yeah. Drop her down.
Just go.
Nope. Where's your legs, dude? What are you guys doing?
Everybody's just like hanging out.
What's going on? Yeah, it's in here. Oh, it is. Kneecap. Let's just go for it. If it fucking breaks in the worst case scenario, we'll throw a bunch of wood on there and burn it. Or we just put it out of these things, start firing inside. That'd be awesome. Let's do it then. Yeah, awesome. Let's just go for it. If it breaks, it breaks. Yeah, you should probably just go. Help us push. This thing's already gone. These guys. This swing set's gonna go. Like right here. There's no saving it. On this tree. Go for it. I'm gonna leave this here just for moral support. Your neighbor's getting entertainment at least for tonight. Free entertainment. Once it starts. Can I go there with him?
Oh my god, that's gonna be horrible.
This is a horrible idea. The legs are flat. This is gonna be a big thump. The board missed like the mow. Just go for it, I guess. Uh-oh. The chair fell.
It's stuck.
Hey, wait. No, my board idea worked perfect. No, it didn't. It did too.
It's not stuck on nothing.
Yes, I do.
It's on the roof.
No, the board's in the roof. The board's in the roof. Go look at the board. I got this.
The board's pushing the roof up off of it.
What?
The board is pushing the roof up.
There ain't no way it's taking the roof off.
The board is going to come through the roof.
Hey, the roof's already placed. Derek, get over here. We'll get
I need my camera.
No, but I mean actually hold it this way. What do you mean? Fuck no. There ain't no way we're holding this much. You better run like
Oh, about 1,000 pounds or more.
Somebody get 911 ready, please. Mark, you better run fast.
What's wrong with the railroad?
We got it. Hang on, wait. Hold it right there, guys. We got it.
You gotta take a picture of that. I got a video. Oh!
Take your sweet time. Wash your nuts.
I need to go get my camera. Yes.
Yeah, dude, it's gonna.
What?
This ain't gonna work. Oh, he's going. Dude, we can sing.
They need to be careful they don't get like...
No, dude, seriously, try it. I gotta get that board out of there, guys. That was easy.
Amazing. The roof didn't even pop off. You see where the board was? Okay.
That's not bad. Really that bad.
You had metal to go over the roof anyway, right?
And you might have to reinforce that leg over there too. No, that's just minor. Somebody got a hammer so we can get this out? My idea worked. Admit it. Kinda. This isn't what we wanted at all though. Wait, because it's still up on that board. Bigger than shit. This is a great idea. Look at that. How is it holding on? Oh, hey! Yep, the roof and the chairs inside. Yeah, they're tough. I can get this board out. Okay. Yeah.
Hey, it's gonna pop through.
No, what's that?
Want to push, Uncle? You go for push?
I don't know.
What's it look like over there? Mark, let's push it. Push it?
There's one.
All in all, it's really not that bad.
Yeah.